All right, hi everyone, and welcome to this week's product training with Blue Triangle. So today we're going to talk about the various ways you can share your dashboards in Blue Triangle. Whether you need to copy a dashboard to yourself or others, maybe you want to share a dashboard with your entire company, or you can share your dashboard with someone who doesn't necessarily have access to Blue Triangle. Today we're going to show you how to do each of these things. My name is Mark, and I'm the support manager here at Blue Triangle, and we do these training sessions each week about all things web performance and ultimately how you can leverage Blue Triangle to get an edge on your competitors. Here's a brief agenda for today. Essentially, we're going to talk about the various ways you can copy or share your dashboards in the Blue Triangle portal. So first of all, you can clone a dashboard to yourself or for others. You can share your dashboard with everyone in your Blue Triangle account. And lastly, you can share a link to your dashboard to someone without Blue Triangle portal access. That link is just going to be, it's going to capture an instant in time and allow person without portal access to view that information, but no further data queries are going to occur. So first up, cloning a dashboard. So this creates a copy of the dashboard and it adds it to the selected user's dashboard list. So typically you might want to do this for yourself, but you can also clone it to others depending on your access level. So if you look over here in this image to the right, I have opened the dashboard manager, and you can get there with this wrench icon. And the first thing you're going to do to clone a dashboard is go in and check the box in the upper left corner. Then a couple of buttons are going to appear, and you're going to click to clone right here. And then this little modal is going to appear, and it's going to allow you to choose one or more users to clone this dashboard to. Now, department viewers are only going to be able to clone dashboards to themselves, but if you're a department admin or an account admin, you'll be able to clone to anyone in your department or anyone in the entire account. The next method of sharing here is to share the dashboard with everyone in your account. So this is going to add the dashboard that you've created to the list of shared dashboards to everyone in the account. Any access level can do it, except for department viewers who have restricted permissions. If you're on one of your custom dashboards, you're just going to go up and look in the top right. You'll see a share icon, and if you hover over that, it'll say share with my company account. If you just give that a click, what that's going to do is it's going to disable the editing on that dashboard for you. And if you open up the dashboard manager, it'll look a lot like this. This is what it'll look like for you down here in the dashboard manager. For everyone else, they'll see this dashboard in their list of shared dashboards. So shared dashboards are not editable. To edit them, what you can do is unshare them, make changes, and then reshare them. And the only person who can do that, of course, is the person who shared them originally. So the final thing is a newer feature in Blue Triangle, which you can share, basically take an instant in time in your dashboard and share all of that information with a shareable link. What's nice about it is it's better than a screenshot, especially if you have a lot of information on the page where you need to scroll down. It also has several clickable features depending on the information in your dashboard. It's not going to do any further data queries. It's not going to auto update or anything like that. It's just kind of a snapshot, an instant in time for your dashboard. These links also will expire after 30 days. So let's do a quick walkthrough in Blue Triangle. All right, so here I am, and I'm a department viewer currently, and I've created this dashboard called Department Viewer Dashboard 1. And the first thing I'm going to do is talk about how to clone your dashboard. All right, so to do that, you're going to open up the dashboard manager, which I just did with that wrench icon. Click this checkbox in the top left of the dashboard name here. And when you do that, it's going to enable the clone and the share. This share is the share for my company account. And then the clone, obviously, is to clone the dashboard. So what you do next is you choose who you'd like to clone the dashboard to. Now, for department viewers, the only option is going to be yourself. But if you have a higher access level, you'll be able to clone to other users in your account. So let's just say we want to clone that to myself, and then we'll click Clone Dashboard. The page will refresh, and if we open up the dashboard manager, we'll see that clone of the dashboard listed here. All right, so that is the clone feature. The next thing you can do is share with my company account. There's a few different ways you can do it. You can share with the button right here on the page. You can share here from the dashboard manager, or if you checked this box, you can share here as well. So let's say we'd like to share the department viewer dashboard 1, and here the hover over text here you can see says share with my company account. So we're going to do that. We're going to confirm we want to share this dashboard. Now, as I mentioned, the editing capability for this dashboard is going to go away while it's shared. Now, to make any changes, all you have to do is just unshare it, make your changes, and then click to share again. But just to give you an idea, this is what it looks like, obviously, for the person who shared the dashboard. So I have another login here under the same account, and basically what you're going to see when you look at your list of dashboards is in the shared section, you're going to see that department viewer dashboard 1 that other user shared. Now, the last thing I'll mention is the way to create a shareable link to hand over to someone without Blue Triangle access. So I'm going to go into, let's see, the synthetic site health, for example, and let's look at the last 6 hours here. And in fact, I'm going to click one of these just to load up a bunch of data. And what we can do is basically snapshot everything in this all the information in this page. Actually, I'm going to do one more here. We're going to click that to get the waterfall and all these other details. And what you can do is just go up to the very top upper right set of buttons here and click the share button. So when you click to share this page, it's going to generate this link for you, and you can just share this directly with someone however you like. All right, so that was essentially everything I wanted to share with you guys today. I know it was a bit of a quicker session, but I hope you learned a little bit and maybe can help work a little more efficiently in the dashboards, and maybe share these links with executives or anyone you'd like to be able to see this data for.